If you've been on the internet for the past few years, you've probably seen some forms of AI-generated art, whether it's a portrait of a person that doesn't exist or a landscape made up of thousands of images. AI art is becoming increasingly common. But can you sell AI-generated art? Is it possible to make a living off of selling something that was created by a machine? So don't miss out on this passive income opportunity and stick till the end to learn more about AI-generated art and MIDJOURNEY AI. What is AI-generated art? Artificial intelligence-generated art, also known as AI art, is a new and rapidly evolving field which involves the use of algorithms and machine learning techniques to create art. This can include images, sculptures, and other forms of visual art. MIDJOURNEY AI is one of the platforms that creates and sells AI art. The art created by AI is often viewed as objective, as it is generated without human bias and preference. However, opinions are divided on whether AI-generated art can be considered true art or not, as it is not created by human artists. Despite the ongoing debate, AI art is certainly an exciting development in the world of art, and it is expected to continue to grow in popularity and evolve in the future. MIDJOURNEY AI. MIDJOURNEY AI is an artificial intelligence tool that is used for artistic image creation. The tool utilizes advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to generate unique and visually striking images. It is designed to be user-friendly and accessible for artists and creators of all skill levels, allowing them to create high-quality art without the need for extensive technical knowledge. One of the key features of MIDJOURNEY AI is its ability to generate images that are unique and original. The tool can be trained on a large data set of images, and it can then use this data to create new images that are not found in the original dataset. This allows users to create truly one-of-a-kind art, and that is not limited by the constraints of traditional art forms. Another advantage of MIDJOURNEY AI is its ability to generate images in a wide range of styles. The tool can be trained in a variety of different styles, from realistic to abstract, allowing users to create art that is tailored to their specific needs and preferences. This makes it an ideal tool for artists and designers who want to create art that is versatile and adaptable to different projects. MIDJOURNEY AI also offers a variety of customization options, allowing users to fine-tune their art to suit their specific needs. For example, users can adjust the level of detail, color, and composition of the images generated by the tool. This allows artists and designers to have complete control over the final product and ensure that they can create art that is truly reflective of their style. The tool can also be used to create animations, videos, and virtual reality content, as well as images. MIDJOURNEY AI can be used to create dynamic and visually striking animations and videos, which can be used in a wide range of applications, including film, television, and advertising. The tool can also be used to create immersive virtual reality experiences, which can be used in gaming, education, and other fields. Make passive income with MIDJOURNEY AI. There are a few different ways you can make money with MIDJOURNEY AI and similar ones. Create and sell your AI-generated art. Creating and selling your AI-generated art on MIDJOURNEY AI is a process that involves using an AI tool like MIDJOURNEY to generate original and unique images. You can collect a set of images that best represent the style of art you want to create, and then use this data set to train the AI model. Once the model is trained, you can use it to generate new images that are not found in the original dataset. These images are unique and original and can be sold as art. Additionally, you can also customize the images generated by the tool by adjusting the level of detail, color, and composition to match your specific needs. Then you can sell the art through online platforms or galleries. MIDJOURNEY AI also allows you to create animations, videos, and virtual reality content and sell them as well. Become a reseller. Becoming a reseller of AI-generated art in MIDJOURNEY AI is a process of selling AI-generated artworks created by the MIDJOURNEY AI platform to customers. As a reseller, you do not need to create the art yourself. Instead, you can purchase the rights to sell existing AI-generated artworks from MIDJOURNEY AI. You can then resell these artworks to customers through your channels such as online platforms, galleries, or exhibitions. You can also customize the artwork to match your customers' needs by adjusting the level of detail, color, color, and composition of the images generated. Additionally, you can also offer additional services such as framing, shipping, and installation to enhance the customer experience. Becoming a reseller of AI-generated art in MIDJOURNEY AI can be a profitable business opportunity as the demand for AI-generated art is increasing. Start your own AI art business. Starting your own AI art business on MIDJOURNEY AI is a way to create and sell original and unique artworks using the MIDJOURNEY AI platform. It allows you to generate art using AI technology and sell it to customers through your channels such as online platforms, galleries, or exhibitions. You can customize the artwork to match your customers' needs by adjusting the level of detail, color, and composition of the images generated. Additionally, you can also offer additional services such as framing, shipping, and installation to enhance the customer experience. Starting your own AI art business on MIDJOURNEY AI can be a profitable opportunity as the demand for AI-generated art is increasing. You can use the platform to create and sell artwork in various forms such as images, animations, videos, and virtual reality content. And also use the platform to expand your business by creating new artwork and reaching new customers. Create AI art for fashion and textiles. Creating AI art for fashion and textiles through MIDJOURNEY AI is a process that involves using the MIDJOURNEY AI platform to generate unique and original designs for various fashion and textile products. This tool allows you to create art using a dataset of images that represent the style of fashion and textiles you want to create. The AI technology in the platform can then generate new designs that are not found in the original dataset. These designs can be used for various fashion and textile products such as clothing, fabrics, and accessories. Additionally, you can also customize the designs generated by the tool to match your specific needs. Conclusion: MIDJOURNEY AI is a platform that creates and sells AI-generated art, and there are many ways to make money with this tool. Whether you're an artist looking to create your AI-generated art, an investor looking to put money into a growing market, or a business owner looking to start your own AI art business, there are many opportunities to make money in this field. It is important to note that this field is still in its early stages, and the laws and regulations surrounding the ownership and sale of AI-generated art are still being debated. That's all for this video. For more investment and make money online videos, subscribe to Simply Economics. Also, make sure to turn on the notifications so you don't miss our videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.